All right, we start first with your first name, last name, and position.
Sure, it's Greg, G-R-E-G-G, Brown, B-R-O-W-N, and I'm a speaker and I speak on change and the future of work.
Tell us a little bit about your visit here on the island and doing job with SETAR.
Well, I was so honored to be asked by SETAR to come down and speak. Aruba is a small island that, of course, was very hard hit by the pandemic. And, I've been working around the world, working with all different areas to help them really navigate what this future of work looks like. And what are the practical tips and tools and techniques that we can do to make it easier for ourselves and for others.
How did you feel with the crowd today?
They were really fun. There was lots of laughter and enjoyment, and I saw a lot of nodding of heads and people saying yes, yes. So when I see that, I feel good about that they got something about it.
The main topic of your speech, tell us a little bit about that.
Well, the main topic is about navigating that future of work and stepping into change. And I think, the challenge for us is we're always looking for a magic wand. As I need to learn something new, I need to try this out. And yet what I've learned through the research that I've done, and certainly going through the pandemic like everyone else, is that we have developed a set of new skills and a new set of capabilities during the pandemic that we didn't have before. And if we can each ask ourselves, our colleagues, our coworkers, what is that one new skill or ability or quality? When we find what that is, that will help us navigate the future. Perspective works wonders.
In the near future, what do you see with you and SETAR doing jobs?
I don't know what I can speak to about that. I mean, they've asked me to come down to speak on behalf of for the business event, and I don't know what the future holds.
So, your visit on the island, how was it till now?
Beautiful. I arrived on Tuesday. I had to work most of Tuesday, and then I did a virtual session for a client outside of Aruba on Wednesday, and then that didn't go well. Should we redo that again so you can edit it? Oh, okay. So, and I had to redo a client, let me just stop that. So I landed here on Tuesday, and I worked that afternoon. Then I had to do a virtual session for a client on Wednesday in another country, and then I prepared for this yesterday afternoon, and then I did this. So I'm going to jump in the ocean tomorrow morning before I leave.
That was something we learned in the COVID period also, working from another country with a lot of people.
Yes, absolutely. And I think, one of the great things about technology and one of the good things, if there is about COVID, is we all learned that we can work differently and in some cases more efficiently.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Esquina coral, posta claro. Por debajo mesa, turno medo, então peleia limpa. Cross gloves. Fight!
Madness Fighting Competition.on 1 de abril na Entertainment Center. Bem desfrutar de tremendo peleanan e apoiar nos brigadonan local.
Ririka choke mucha. Referee! Hasi direito, meu pé na cama! Referee! Tempo!
Reservavo tickets a Women's na 743-1444.
Alequita! Alequita! Legal.